I started this collection about 10 years ago.
And why VW? I mean, you can invest in any car.
Volkswagen, that was my first car. So I had that connection to it. And plus, a Volkswagen is a people's car. You know, no pun intended, because that's what Volkswagen means.
Absolutely.
But it's such a cool, iconic car. And everybody that sees it is like, oh, it's always a great face whenever someone sees the car. They're just excited, they glow. It's like, I can't believe, look at that, you know?
It brings back good memories.
And it does, because every time someone sees one of these cars, they're like, it's always a story attached to it.
There's always a story attached to it, yeah. Okay, you have an incredible collection here. Is there any favorite one that you have?
It's always whatever the new bus is. The newest, the new flavor of the week. That's the, oh yeah, that's the one that gets all the attention.
Listen, the new flavor is going to be the new ID Bus Electric. June 2nd will be the International Volkswagen Bus Day. And we're going to have a huge celebration. And I would love if you can join us.
I would love to be part of it. Save me a parking. Hey, I'm there. You want me to go? Just save me a parking spot.
And you can choose, and you can come driving in any of these beautiful vehicles to the party.
I would be thrilled to be part of a Volkswagen Bus Day, and I will be there.
Choque los cinco, entonces. There you go. When you get the new ID Bus Electric, where are you going to place it over here?
Oh, I have outlets everywhere. I am prepared for this new ID Bus. I am ready.